Hi, Julia Street friends. This is Miss Natalie. I'm here at Julia Street. It's kind of strange. No one else is here but me. Um, but I wanted to make a video of this lesson working on your beginning sounds. And this is the first set in the Rainbow Works, the red work. Um, and for this activity, we're going to play a little I Spy game. So I'm going to go over the sounds first and just practice tracing these. You can make your own set of letters at home. You can use puffy paint. You can also just write them out on an index card. They could also make the shape on a carpet. Gives sort of the same kind of feedback. It's just easier, I think, when kids are first learning that they have that visual to help guide them as they trace. So let's look at the sounds of the four letters that we have first. Ah. Ah. Like something tastes really good. S. S. T. T. Now I'm going to pick one letter to do a little I Spy game. This sound is Let's find the things that start with I spy with my little eye something that starts with Let's see. S. Star, no. T. Top, no. Monkey. Oh yeah. I hear at the beginning of that word. I'm going to put that in my basket. Let's see if there's anything else that starts with that sound. Let's see. Apple? No. Muffin. Oh, I love muffins. I think I hear that sound. Muffin. Yeah. I'll put that over in the basket. Mask. Oh, I found another one that starts with that sound. All right, I think I found them all. Can you think of any other words that start with the sound? Let me think about it. Oh, I know. One of my favorite people in the world. Mom. Can you think of some? All right, let's look at the next letter. I'm going to turn this one over since we did it. And I'm going to pull the next letter down. Do you remember the sound for this one? You can help me. It looks like you're biting into an apple when you say it. Ah. So let's look and see if we can find some things that start with ah. I spy with my little eye something that starts with ah. Ah. Turtle? No. Oh, I see something I really love to eat. Delicious. An apple. That starts with the sound. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, I think I see one. It's the name of a person that goes up into outer space. Starts with astronaut. There we go. I'll put that in the basket too. Let's see. Does anyone see any more? I don't think there are any more that starts with ah. Let's see if we can think of some that start with that sound. Ah. Oh, I think I have one. How about acrobat? I bet you can do some acrobats. I bet you could do some flips or some twirls or some cartwheels. Can anyone else think of something that starts with the ah sound? How about achoo? See if you can come up with some. All right, let's look at our next letter. We finished this one. This sound is S. Let's see if we can find some items that start with a S sound. I spy with my little eye something that starts with S. Ooh, I see something that actually looks kind of squiggly like the letter S. S. Snake. Do you hear that first sound in there? Is that S? Yeah. Let's see what else we have. Turtle? No. How about tree? Huh? No, I don't think so. Ooh, I see something really yummy that I think starts with that S sound. It grows in my garden and it's sweet and juicy. You guessed it. It's a strawberry. All right, let's see if there's any more. Maybe you can help me find the last one. I see one more. Oh, you got it. Star starts with that sound that we have right here. The letter S. Star. I'm going to flip this over and we're on our last letter. This letter says T, T, T is the sound that it makes. It's a quick sound. T. And this one is going to be pretty easy because I think that most of these start with that sound T. Let's see. I spy with my little eye something that starts with T. Turtle. Top. And tree. And triangle. Let's see. Can anyone else think of some more words that start with that sound? T. How about tickle? Tickle. Who likes to be tickled? I do. It makes me laugh a lot. Let's see. What about a toucan? Toucan. I think so. Maybe somebody remembers a continent that we studied last year where they have toucans. Think about it. Have you thought of some? I knew you could do it. All right, that was our last letter sound. We're going to put these back at the top and we're going to review the sounds one more time before we put this work away.